guys, and welcome to today's video. So today we will be um making chicken noodle soup. It's gonna be like homemade-ish. The noodles are store-bought and I got the broth, but like we're 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 still making it. So I that includes tearing up this chicken. I already started tearing this chicken up, as you can see here and here. Also, we got new plates. Let me put on my my fresh set of gloves. I bought it yesterday from Walmart. It was one of the Walmart rotisserie chickens. I was hungry and and I ate the one leg. Oops. So we have all but a leg to work with. But I don't I think we'll be fine. Trying to get all this chicken. Don't worry, I will be putting this in. It's cold right now, but like, trust, it was amazing. Like, my mouth was watering, genuinely. I'm excited for this because I've been genuinely wanting to make chicken soup for all winter, and I'm graduating. Like, I just graduated Tech. What? How did I get so old? What? Genuinely? You guys, we're getting to, it's corpse, the corpse of the chicken. I really hope y'all ain't vegans on here, because, like, not only me, but, like, if y'all be, like, I don't know, it's not offending anyone if y'all are. Like, chicken's pretty much, chicken and steak. I can eat chicken, steak, and tuna. I can't, okay, and sometimes I can tolerate bacon, but it doesn't make my stomach feel it, so, I mean, I understand the animal, like, cruelty aspect, like, that's horrible, no. But, you're gonna eat your chicken, okay? Well, I don't know if I am going to put all of the chicken into the soup for sure, or not. I am making a mess again. Oh, I just broke it. I heard that sound. I wonder if you guys can hear this now. I guess I'll find out later. Won't I? What is this? I need to Google that and find out whether or not that's supposed to be in there or not. Because I don't think it is. Oh, it's cold. Hey! Can you come here? Is this, what, like, oh, is this suitable or not suitable? Like, is it meat? Is this, like, is that, like, is it too greasy? Is it, like, too greasy or whatever for meat? It looks greasy. Is it, should I put that juice stuff in there? Like this? Put this stuff in there? Do you want it in there? Is that kind of like the chicken bouillon? We'll just, like, add to it. What do you want? You said to leave it in earlier. Okay. Ew. That's your stuff from upstairs. Oh, you might know that. That's your stuff from upstairs. You can start seeing. Christmas scent? Is that new? Please. If you clean them, I might be wear them. I can use them. We can at least put them in, we can clean them and then put them in my mirror. Okay. I do not like how the fact that it is so cold still. Here's the glass. Hey, look, we're 11 minutes in and we almost got all the chicken. And I'm gonna do the scrape off at the moment. Ow. I don't know why I said that. Genuinely, this was from a rotisserie chicken from Walmart, so. Just saying. At least. Just think about it like this, at least. It's something, you know? At least. At least you're trying this, trying. At least you're trying. You know? At least you're trying. That, those are just that, so. I'm trying to find if there's any more meat anywhere. No. I'm just absolutely destroying this chicken, aren't I? Ew! Okay, I'm done with it. Do you want this, or do you want me to, break this up too? It's the, do you want me to save you this? So just hook it up and put it on there? Yeah, at least it's not gonna go to waste. I might need more. Do I need more soup? No, not enough soup? Not too much chicken? I'm confused. A tall pan? Tall pot? A lot of broth. You like little broth? Little chicken. You're saying we need more chicken broth? I wasn't gonna put all the chicken in there. I was just tearing out the whole. I didn't know if you wanted that to, like, stick, kept aside, you know? Do you think you can, hey, you said put that in there. Hey, can you stop that?
Okay, so right now we started putting the pot on to boil. Let's see if you guys can sit. I'm sorry you can't see the pot, but yes, again, I just bought it, but it's got celery, carrots, and onions in it. Okay, and I need to grab the butter. And I just need to get a small. About a half tablespoon of butter.